Hi guys, I'm Ayushman and these are my people.
Hi.
We are Acharyans and today we are on a hunt to find the hidden gems of Bangalore. Let's go to the first place now.
Hi guys, I'm Anusha and we are back and we have discovered our first spot of the hidden gems of Bangalore. This is the Muninagara Dam. We have some amazing backwaters here. We were on a drive and we stumbled upon this place and the view is amazing. We have some mountains on the back.
Okay, so how are you guys feeling here today?
Actually good.
Very energetic, very calmful place.
Except
The sun?
except the sun.
It's coming and going. Then, how does it feel here?
It's-
College life, you're
it's-
hectic.
It's
It's
very
soothing
peaceful,
because it is in between the week.
weekday
After the classes, this is a good getaway, I would say.
Sure.
Oh, this looks like the lake area in our campus,
Yeah, I remember.
near the swimming pool area. No.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I like this place. I mean, having waking up early morning, not for the classes,
A day out.
having
With your
pizza
gang.
at 10 a.m.
साथ में हाँ we'll do it together.
1, 2, 3. Oh! This is like a different side of Bangalore. When we have Acharya, we have the city and then we have this place.
I mean, it's hard to believe how it's just 1.5 hours away from the main city or something.
The main city chaos.
So guys, we are done with the backwaters now and we are heading towards the dam. This is an amazing view. Should take a last look at it.
I rated the solid 8. The view was nice, the water, but the weather isn't supporting us.
A solid 8.5. The view is amazing. I love it.
Solid 7.8.
This place is a solid 8, but it will be a 10 during the sunrise or the sunset. The views will be amazing, the sky will be amazing.
I would rate this place a solid 8.3. It has an amazing picnic spot. So,
Why
but
8.3? Let's break that number down.
Because he likes
no
that number.
explanation, no explanation.
No explanation required.
How do you think life is here?
It's nice. I think,
It's
everybody
pretty
here.
peaceful, I
exactly.
feel.
Everybody
Peaceful,
here is
yeah.
there since their childhood. So every other guy is there. They know him.
They know everybody.
This is the kind of a place you would want a vacation home.
Able to live in city.
For people like us.
Yeah, but I guess most of this is handcrafted.
No, it is handcrafted.
It
So
is handcrafted
we'll just
and
talk to the
handmade,
shopkeeper and we'll get to know what's happening.
Variety of things, bro.
ये सब हाथ से बनाता है
कलर हाथ से बनाता है,
हाँ, वो जो बाकी का सामान है
बाकी का सामान रेडीमेड आता है.
रेडीमेड लाते हैं. So as she says, none of this is made by their own hands. This is just painted with their own hands and they just keep it for sale.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
राजस्थान.
राजस्थान से यहाँ कोई रीजन?
रीजन कोर्स भी नहीं है, काम के लिए. उधर काम नहीं है, क्या करता जे.
आप इतने अच्छे इतने सुंदर आर्टिफैक्ट्स बनाते हैं, इसके पीछे कोई पुराना ताल्लुक जिससे आपने पहले कहीं देखा हो, जिसकी वजह से आपने ऐसे कलर चूज़ किए?
हमारा दिमाग से करें हम.
So they are from Rajasthan and they are here to work because there is scarcity of work in Rajasthan. As we can see, they are very vibrant. They're using very vibrant colors. She said that they just do it on a whim. They gun and run it, but that's actually really nice.
They are giving their soul out of it just to make it look perfect, you know.
this and all is good. Let's go for water first. I have been thirsty for a while. In Acharya, we don't keep you thirsty.
This is Dharmesh, this is Anusha, this is Anushka, and this is Projukta, sorry.
We have a new character.
And these are our cameramen. This is my brother Dharmesh. A cake, okay, we'll take Congress bun.
Kontu cake, there is a sort of a specific cake.
Honey cake. Honey cake or Congress bun?
Moist.
The bun.
This was good, but
Solid 8.5.
I'm going to try the waffle.
We'll try
bread.
smoke ice.
It kind of lives up to the name Dark Fantasy.
I really like it. I rate it like a 9 out of 10. The chocolate is like melting in the mouth, so it tastes really good.
we are heading to a place for Pani Puri, which like the water there is basically transparent, which we have never tried. So we're really excited. Let's go.
What is it called? Look at these people, they're just drinking the water now.
So guys, we have come to try something called as Dragon Breath ice cream. So it's basically something which is done with some nitrogen or stuff. So let's just go and try.
So hey guys, today me and my friends came out to discover some hidden places in Bangalore. The first place which we went was Muninagara Dam. It is a nice, peaceful place to go out with your friends, college students, to chill, hang around, have a day out.
And on the outskirts of Bangalore, we went to see a few local artists. They were native from Rajasthan and they were hand painting this very intricate art. And it was very beautiful and it was very vibrant and aesthetically pleasing.
Then we headed to Vivipuram, which is like a heaven for foodies. It's the best food place in Bangalore, and we tried a bunch of few things here, like honey cake, Congress bun. Then we had Pani Puri, which had clear water, which is very uncommon, and all of it was a nice experience. Personally, I like the Congress bun the most.
So thank you for watching this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.